Welcome, this is Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch at JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex GMT-Master II reference 126710 BLNR, also known as the Batman or the Batgirl, with the Jubilee bracelet. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the bracelet, the movement, try it on, and give you my thoughts. So let's dive right in. The case is a oyster case and made of oyster steel, basically stainless steel, and it's 40 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. Now, as you can see, it has this, the case has these sharp edges here, where my thumb is pointing to, and has a brush finish where my thumb is pointing, and on the sides it has a high polish finish. It uses a monoblock middle case, screw down case back, and winding crown, and it has, well, let's take a look here at the back side. It's inside, housed here, now you guys can take a look, is the movement. Now you can't see what's inside the movement, but I'll just tell you what is inside. It's a caliber 3285, and that's been changed. It used to be a 3186, now it's a 3285. It has a precision of plus minus 2 seconds a day, and it has a power reserve of 70 hours. Basically, it's a new movement. If you compare it to the older version, 116710 BLNR. This is a 126710 BLNR, and it has a basically it has a different bracelet. As you can see, a Jubilee here. It used to be a oyster, now it's a Jubilee, and also the movement is different. And here's a 3285, as I just said, and the 3186 was what it used to be. Now I've seen this with the case back open, so I've seen what a 3285 looks like. It really looks a lot nicer if you ask me, and they've been using the 3185 and 3186 for a very long time, and I think it's about time they changed, and they recently did. So that's what, and this is the most current model at the moment. Okay, so let's move on to the bezel. Now the bezel, they make this bezel as black and blue, as you obviously can see here. They also make it in a blue and red. I think it's pretty cool. It's a ceramic bezel. That means that this bezel won't scratch or fade like older generation ones. It's bi-directional, meaning I can turn it left and I can turn it right. It has a 24-hour graduated bezel with a two-color blue and black serichrome insert in ceramic. So, I mean, you actually can tell 3 time zones. I can't get into it on how to do it here, but the first time zone is when you see the hour and the minute hand. The second time zone is this blue 24-hour hand, and if you use the bezel in a particular way, you can see the time for a third time zone. Okay, they make this watch in a couple different bezel configurations. You can see them all on jazztime.com. It's black and blue, red and blue, and they have a root beer, which is like a brown and brown. I guess it's a different shade of brown. Anyways, it's a root beer. You can take a look at it on our website. So yeah, let's move on to the bracelet. Now the bracelet you see here is a Jubilee bracelet. It has 5 links across. That means 1, 2, 3, 3 in the center that are high polished, and 2 on the sides that are brush polished. And it also it used to be an oyster bracelet. Its predecessor used to be a oyster bracelet. Now it's a Jubilee. Some people like this one more. Some people like the oyster. It really depends on you. I really like the Jubilee. I think it's a nice touch. It's different from all the other sports watches. The clasp is a folding oyster lock safety clasp with the EasyLink 5mm comfort extension. So that just means that you close it like that. It's a safety lock, and if it gets hot, or you can always pull out like this, and that makes it extend another 5mm. So I just think it's a really great watch. And the dial, they only make this configuration black, and it has a maxi dial. So I thought I would tell you about my thoughts. I really think this is a great watch. Just in general, I like the blue. I'm a fan of the blue color, and I actually, some people have complained about the Jubilee. I don't really know why they would. Some people just complain to complain. I think if you actually look at the watch in person, or you actually just watch this video, you'll realize that, hey, the Jubilee is a really darn good looking configuration. There's a reason why Rolex made it in this configuration, because it looks really awesome. They actually did away with the oyster. I think they did a good job. You know, I just think it looks really balanced. It looks really cool. It still looks sporty. It looks classic. I don't know what to say. It just looks really awesome. Now, if you want to buy this watch, and you're thinking about buying the watch, go to jazztime.com. We offer the lowest price anywhere online.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.